Hello everybody, this is Silicone Balls here, or whatever you want to call me, and I am here for a more serious video. I'm going to be showing you a game that I made. It's basically an Agar.io ripoff called Copio, and it's made in Pygame with Python, using the Pygame library. And yeah, so let me show you it. It's a pretty cool little game that I made. It took me like maybe a day. Uh, really took me 2 days, but it was like, I don't know, maybe 4 hours took me to build this. And I built this completely from scratch. I did not use any. I did not watch a video about how to make this. I did not do any of that stuff. And if you look at my code, you'd find out that you'd be pretty hard pressed to find anyone out there who has, you know, tried to make a Gario or a game like that has code that's this atrocious. I mean, this is pretty poorly written. So yeah. So this video is actually going to be broken up into two parts. In this video, I'm just going to show you how the game works, basically, and I'll show you and I'll give you a link to the Github repository if you want to look at the code yourself, which I don't know if anybody does. And then in the next video, I'll go over the more technical side of it, and I might even show you and then in the middle of that video, I might show you a fixed version of it, because this is actually not built very well. So I'm gonna fix that, and then I might show you guys that in the next video. So let me run the module. Here we go. So this is the game. Oh, this guy's fast. So it's pretty simple. It's just like Agar.io. You just go up here. The circles you might notice are not very good, but that's because this is Pygame. The graphics are not going to be very good because these are, generated by Pygame itself. These aren't perfect circles or anything. I don't know what the resolution is on this. Oh, yeah. As you can see, it's pretty easy to get these guys. That's something that I'll probably fix later. That's actually one of the things I want to improve. So I'm just going to talk a second about what I want to improve about this game. So I do want to fix the AI. As you can see, these guys, the way they work right now is they just pick a random point in the map, they walk to that point, and once they get there, they find another random point in the map. So they actually don't have any intelligence to them whatsoever. They just sort of run around. And then, what's something else? Yeah, so I'll be fixing that. I want to make them. The problem is that making a more complicated AI actually will take more like computing power. This game obviously doesn't take a lot, but with if you write poorly written code, it's just a concept called tech debt, which means that if you write something poorly, you can and try to like make it better or add more stuff to it, it'll just start to fall apart. Like your computer won't even be able to handle it. Even this game is like not very big. You could, if you had enough tech debt, I'm sure you could eventually make it like not work anymore. So yeah, that's one thing. And then there's also I want to display the score. That's a pretty easy thing to do. I just need to look at how to do that. I need to just look into how to like display text on the screen. I actually don't know how to do that right now. It's probably something really simple. And then yeah, I also want to make the cells. As you can see, all of the guys that spawn here, that just sort of run around, they're like really all like the smallest size, the size you start out as, which is, I mean, especially without the AI, that just makes it so you can just run around here. It's just not even fun because you can just kill everybody. It's like, it's like fascism or something, but you can just like kill all of them, and since they're all small, no one can really get up to be like your size, so no one can really even has a chance. Like I can just run into these guys, and you might notice that I'm getting not smaller, slower. And then the other thing, yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll put a GitHub repository in the description for anyone who is obliged to check that out. It's if you don't know what GitHub is, then projects like this, it's a good place where you can put them and other people can look at them and change them and stuff like that. So yeah, this is pretty much the game Copio. It's just a little project. It was really quick. This did not take very much time at all. So it's not super advanced. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this, and hopefully this might have inspired you to make your own game or something. I don't really know. It doesn't really matter, but yeah, this is just pretty cool little thing that I made. So yeah, more silicone e-balls and cubicle quasar videos coming out soon. So check those out. All right, bye.